Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to part 6 or something now, Jesus. So, in the last video, what we did was we got this thing running for Windows. The implementation isn't the best. I'll change that in a later video, because yeah, it's kind of dumb. But anyway, that's besides the point. So today I was thinking, so a router, right? It should allow the devices to like broadcast the packet. So if you have ever done networking, you can either send a packet to a specific MAC address, or you can broadcast it to everyone in the network. So this is what we're gonna do in this video. Now there's actually a couple of things that we need to do. In the last video we realized that this thing is wrong, so we need to actually change this in inside our QMK firmwares. So inside a bunch of them anyway. So in the dactyl anyway. And that'll be one. Yeah, so oops, wrong thing. Cool. And we'll be using some stuff here, but the main thing here is just change this to 23, and that will be good. And then right, yeah, and so we also had a nice kind of dialogue here, or a debugger thingy, or not debugger, like this info thingy. Christ, I don't know what the fuck to call this. But anyway, we'll paste that in here, because that'll be good to have to see like the raw packet, I suppose. Now, yeah, so we'll commit those changes straight away actually. So those, and because I want to yeah, because I want to check what we're actually running inside the macro pad. So the Ericsson MSU, macropad Pico. So cold keyboards, macro or notes, MSU, macropad Pico. Okay, because I did add, yeah, I did add raw HID thingy. Okay, what the hell is this? I don't know. Right, so this is some weird stuff. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to basically, yeah, because this is gonna start sending shit if I plan to do the broadcast, which I don't want this thing to do. So we are going to remove this thing from here, and we are going to copy over these two into here, like so. Inside here, yeah, we'll just, well, actually we won't copy it directly. Log HID client.h or .c, I mean. Okay, so that will be good. However, I don't really want to process any stuff here, so I'm just gonna do a basic thing. Just basic thing to return it. Right. Okay, so yeah, just return here. And all of this stuff can go here. Now we can keep this stuff because that's going to be pretty much unchanged. So that's fine. It's just that the sending stuff I don't really want to do. Yeah, the rest here is fine. Yeah, that's all good. Yeah, so we aren't gonna actually receive any packets for this guy. Or actually we can. Yeah, actually we can. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking of doing. So the broadcast will be something like this, right? It will be, so this will be broadcast, or just as one, yeah, just as one. And it will be FFFF and FFFF. So yeah, it'll be something like this. And and yeah, so what we can do is these. Oops, put that into here. And yeah, we can actually go through the operation, and we can just do the kind of default one. So this will be 4. And yeah, so something like this. We'll just support this singular operation. And in this case, what we want to do is we want to do it kind of directly, if you know what I mean. So receive data from, receive data at macropad. Yeah, like so. And yeah, no, we'll leave it as that. And yeah, something like that. I don't know. So that way it actually, listens for stuff, but only for the actual stuff. And then when we broadcast this packet, it should pick up here as well. And yeah, so that'll be great if that actually works out. Yeah. So we have another client here. Wait, what is going on here? Why do I have to? What is this? Oh, this is the old one. Got confused there. Okay, let's move this one over here. CD T, yeah, temp, then QMK. What? I thought I had something in QMK. QMK. What the heck? Did I delete it? Oh, I think it was in temp again. Yeah, there is. Okay, good. So, okay, so this guy. Oh shit! Opened up the wrong thing. Okay, from our keyboards, trackball. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so we want to do something similar here as well. I'm going to put in the broadcast. And we want to change this to 23. Yeah. And, oh yeah, we also want to copy this header. Yeah, what the heck happened? Why didn't this thing copy over? Huh, weird. Anyway, we're gonna copy over this thing. So just now the problem is all of these will kind of debug if if you yeah, so this will probably be header is bad for pico macro add, like so. Yeah, that's fine. So here, in this case, yeah, we want to do something like this as well. So then header is bad for trackball. Then here received trackball at, or received data at trackball, since we will be testing out the broadcast. So this should broadcast them all, and they will both type at the same time-ish. So that'll be interesting to see how that looks like. But yeah, apart from that, I think that should be all good. I didn't really change anything else apart from this thing. So yeah, that should be fine. Okay. So we will compile this guy. I kind of forgot how you compile it though. Aha, so it's the very end of the thing. Okay, cool. So we're to do something like this. There we go. Okay, looking good. And let me flash it. Okay, say we compiled the macro pad. So that should be good. Now we can add. Yeah, we can add all of these. Yeah, we can add all of this stuff as well. Yeah, so git commit add support for, or add proper QMK raw HID library, like so. And I'll push that over. Okay, so this is compiled now. It should respond when we send shit over to it. So we can actually do a git checkout MSU dactyl, like so. We can close this, and we can call keyboards MSU dactyl here, like so. All right, yeah. Cool. And Yeah, header is bad for Dactyl. Yeah, that will do fine. Okay. Yeah, we have an example here as well. Yeah, do we really need this here? Not really. There's kind of no point actually. So let's just get rid of that because we do have it in other repos. So that doesn't really matter. Yeah. And we aren't really sending anything yet to PC, so we can comment these out. And yeah. Or shit, we'll need to actually comment these out in here as well. Yeah. Well, that's fine, since we don't need them. Okay, cool. So, what are we doing here? Oh yeah, we need to flash this thing now, because it supports proper shite now. Yep. Okay, so yeah, so the flash command for it is actually here. And we don't need this for now. Oh yeah, even the PC thing isn't even here. Yeah, so we don't need this thing as well, since we're not yeah, we're not doing anything. Oh yeah, we do actually use PC for this, I forgot. Yeah. So PC we do need, because for this one we do actually send stuff to the PC. So that makes fucking sense. Yeah. Okay, cool. So that should be fine. Oh shoot, where am I? Oh yeah, I didn't CD into QMK. Okay, so now if we were to build this thing, it should be okay. And it is. And I'll need to boot it into the bootloader. So see how fast it builds on Linux, like what the heck. On Windows it was dog shit slow, Christ almighty. Okay, what the heck? Why isn't it mounting? Oh yeah, because I didn't fucking plug it in. God damn it. Okay, so yeah. Ah, doesn't seem to be working. Why is that? Is it working now? Okay, now it's working. Yeah, so I put it into the wrong bloody USB port. Excellent. So yeah, let's get this guy in. All right, there we go. He mounted. Good. Okay, so now he's fully flashed. Git add any git emit update to the latest QMK router. Boom. Git push. Okay, so now we're fully up to date. Right. So let us compile this router and actually run it with VV. Okay, so we found 3 devices. Yeah, I can't type in here, okay. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create another one. Shit. That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to split it here, create another one. Okay. And here I'll go into cat. So this will just, you know, echo whatever. So now if I were to go and do that. Okay, so header is bad. How did that happen? Header is bad for trackball. What the fuck? Received packet. Why is header bad? Okay, let's see. So yeah, HID packet header. That didn't get changed. No, it didn't. And it didn't get changed here. No, should be the same. But what the hell happened? So, first of all, we print the header, which is this 4630. Then we print the packet. Yeah, so 46. Wait, where is that even fucking coming from? What the heck? Okay, so now we need to debug the whole fucking thing for Linux, so that's great. God damn it. We were done debugging it for Windows, now we need to do it for Linux. Excellent shit. Right, so then we print the length after that. Yeah. There's 3046. Well, what the heck? There's something very wrong here. Yeah, that looks very strange. Hang on. What if I were to just send one of these things? Okay. Yeah, so this looks completely off. I don't understand why that would be. But let's see what we're actually sending. So if we were to go into here, or no, if we were to go into here, I mean. And if we were to print, yeah, so we should be here. Okay, let's try this. Hmm? Wait, what? What argument is of type? Hang on. Like this, maybe? Let's see. Kind of forget. Yeah, okay, so that was it anyway. Okay. Oh, shit. Well, okay, so let's try it now. Okay, so we're sending packet with the correct header. Yeah, so everything looks correct, but it is receiving something weird. I'm very confused. What the heck is going on here? What the fuck? Like, this was working fucking fine. This makes no fucking sense. Okay. Did I mess something up here? No, it all looks the same. For fuck's sake, man, I wanted to add a new feature. I did not want to debug this fucking shit again and again and again every single goddamn fucking day. Okay, so. Okay, if I were to send it again. Okay, so it looks to be. Okay, if I were to restart this program, and if I were to send it again. Okay. So it seems to be sending complete garbage each time. For some fucking reason. Why? I don't understand. Okay, let's look at the git commits. So okay. So let's go into commits. So this is where I added support for Windows. So this is fine. README is fine. Yeah, change that to 23, that's fine. Okay, so protocol. I just added this. That's fine. Now raw HID client dot. Wait, what the heck? Wait, there's probably more. Oh yeah, there is more. Ah, I see what happened. Fuck's sake. So this is meant to be like this, I think. I don't know how the fuck that happened, but yeah. Okay, so I think we found the... Ah, shit. Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. Ugh. Okay, well, anyway, it is what it is. QMK raw HID router. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to run this shit again. Okay, and then, for the love of God, excellent. So yeah, okay, so that was the fucking problem, okay. Fuck's sake. Okay, we should be good now. Christ almighty. Alright, so yeah, we will do that. Okay. What the heck did I change in Pro? What is going on? What did I... What? Alright. What did I change? Oh, okay, yeah. So git page. Fix bad copy. Okay. So now we are fully good to go. So yeah, I can use the mouse to then scroll and it's all working nicely. Excellent. All right. Now we can actually begin the fucking development. Jesus. So, Right, here inside inside here, what we want to use is we want to go with broadcast, like so. This will be FFF, this will be FFF. Okay. Next, we want to include this thing inside here, like so. And it'll be extern. Okay. And did I put that in here? Oh yeah, I did already. Okay, well, it is what it is, although I didn't put it in here. Broadcast. Okay. So yeah, this will broadcast it to everyone pretty much. So that's all we need to do. So what are we doing here? Yeah, and yeah, so when we do this thing, it's actually in the macros where we have it. Yeah, so we should be able to search for a trackball or something. Yeah, trackball, there we go. Okay. So all of these will actually be replaced with broadcast, because I want to actually be able to broadcast this to multiple trackballs maybe. Yeah, to multiple trackballs, because yeah, why not? Okay, so we want to replace it with broadcast, like so. Boom. Okay. So yeah, then we'll need to compile this thing. Yeah, that seems to be good. So we'll set it up for flashing. Okay. Okay, so now this thing should be broadcasting. I'll just refresh this. Okay, so if I were to send like a packet here, yeah, so packet received and it's FFF, and can I write to device FFF as it is closed. So we need to do some special handling for this. So where we do the special handling for this is here. Yeah, so here we will do bool and is broadcast equals false. Or actually, no, we don't need to do it like that. We can do it if packet to PID equals 0x FFFF and packet to VID equals 0x FFFF. Yeah, so 4 Fs. Alright, so if it is broadcasting, we wanna here continue. So if is broadcast continue, so this will continue the loop onto the next one. Otherwise, it will break. What is this found used for? Ah, okay. Yeah, that's fine. We can leave that there, that's all right. But yeah, if it's broadcast, if not found and not broad is broadcast, we can do that. All right, otherwise, here we are checking. So in this case, we kind of want to do something like this. So we want to put this onto its own kind of check here, like so. So it'll be is broadcast or this thing. So we go into all of these, and if it's a broadcast, we go in, and if it is not a broadcast, then we go out. Yeah, so that is fine. All right, so in this case, here we actually, do we do? Oh yeah, we do. Okay, yeah, so actually this thing can move into here, and yeah, I don't know why I actually did it this way. That's kind of dumb. Yeah, like this Windows thing, I'll improve it in the next video. So yeah, we'll go here, and then this thing, we'll just do packet, yeah, to PID, and packet to VID, like so. Okay, so in this case, we actually only, yeah, and actually this thing, oh yeah, that's right, Windows does it a different way. Yeah, never mind. Anyway, that's fine. And we only want to do this if not is broadcast. Because if it is broadcast, we want the client to tell if it's broadcast or not. So if it is broadcast, we'll send FFF and FFFF for these two as well. And then inside here, you can check, for example, yeah, so what you can do is you can actually receive data at trackball, and we can do something like this. If yeah, we can actually do it here. So if packet dot to vid equals 0x fffff and packet to vid equals 0x fffff. Yeah, so this is a broadcast. So we can do received broadcast data at trackball. We can do that. Else, we can do something like this: receive data at trackball. So yeah, that's the sort of thing that I was going for example. So we can actually copy this because this is pretty good shit right here. Yeah, so boom. Okay, so I received people and received data. Okay. Yeah, so we'll put that in as an example there. So yeah, that should be good. And then here we should compile this thing again. And I will flash it. Okay, so that's flashed and it's working. Okay. So here, then, what we're doing. So yeah, if it's broadcast, we do that. Right. Oh yeah, the devices. Yeah, so we don't want to send it to ourselves. So if yeah, if devs I dot PID equals devs, or actually, yeah, if I, yeah, this is actually a lot simpler. If I is equal to index from, because yeah, it's essentially the exact same fucking shit. So if this is the same, and we are is broadcasting, then we want to just continue. No, continue. Yeah, because we don't want to send the broadcast to ourselves. That would be, you know, kind of dumb. But yeah, we can do this so that, yeah. So I think that should be pretty much good to go. So we can compile this thing. And we can try and send the broadcast now. Okay. Oof, that does not look good. Or it doesn't. No, I think it's fine actually. So yeah, receive data at macro pad. So, oh. Wait. Wait, what the fuck? Why did it only send it to one of them? We can actually uncomment this. Oh, I see. I see why. Yeah, don't need to comment that. Yeah, unable to write this shit. But anyway, if not is broadcast, then we break. Yeah. Because yeah, normally you'd only want to send the packet once, but yeah. Okay, so that should be fine now. Yeah, so let us just do that. And then run it again. Then I'll send the broadcast. Huh? Yeah, this is what I thought was going to happen. So yeah. Yeah, so about to send HID, send blah blah blah, but then they both started polluting the keyboard. So what I'm gonna do is instead of doing this, uh, yeah, info, we can steal this buffer. We can put it here. We can do this. Yeah, so header is bad for trackball. That's fine. We'll leave it. We'll leave that there. But in this case, what we want to do is this. Yeah, it'll be sending to PC. It'll be info, and yeah, what we want to do is here we want to do. We can't do too much. We can just do receive the data. Yeah, we don't need this. Like so. Okay, well, this actually like this. And Yeah. Then here we can do probably broadcast. So we can basically make sure that only one of them writes to the keyboard, because yeah, this is better. So let us compile this thing. That way we can actually test the fucker. Yeah, and yeah, I'll need to flash it as well now. Okay, and we are back. We just refreshed the devices. So now if I were to send that broadcast again, yeah, receive data at Pico. Yeah, so here, wait, why? Wait, what the heck? Oh, wait, no, what the heck? Why did it send this info with the DPI? I'm so confused right now. Yeah, so it's thinking I'm increasing it. What? Okay, so there's something weird going on here. Yeah. Wait, I am very confused. Why is this like this now? So, received packet. Huh? Wait, is there something with this thing that's... Yeah, about to send, and it broadcasts send simple test key. Yeah, and then it received data at picopad, that's fine. But then it started increasing this DPI for some reason. Why the fuck did that happen? Do I have something weird here? Received data at dactyl. No, I'm not like sending anything else. So received packet. Then we received this thing, which is received broadcast. Okay, I'm very confused. What the heck is going on? Let's try that again. Okay. Huh? Okay, I am so fucking confused right now. Wait, why is it sending this thing? What the fuck? Okay, let me print these things. Because yeah, there's something very strange going on here. It's only meant to be sending one packet, but it's sending a lot. Okay. So we send the packet here. Okay, yeah, so we're sending it to both places. Then we received that packet. But we also received this packet for some reason. What the fuck? How is this even possible? Okay, so we received. So this guy received a broadcast, but then we are sending. What the fuck? Okay, who's this actually sending from? Yes, we can do sending packet from, and we can do percent 0 to x percent 0 to x. And this will be devs. This will be the index from. This will be PID. Or fuck's sake, how is this shit called? Okay, so just PID and VID, okay. So PID, and then devs index from dot VID. So yeah, we are sending packet from this guy. Okay, let's see what the hell is going on here. Okay, so let's send it again. Okay. So yeah, sending packet from or food thingy, which is shit, wrong thing. Here. Yeah, so it's the food guy. So this is our keyboard, the food. So yeah, we're sending packet to 2 people, which is good. Yeah, so received this thing. Oh, wait a second. I think I know what's wrong. Yep. God damn it. Oh, I'm gonna fucking die. So yeah, always remember to put a fucking break. So case break, case break, case break, case break, case break. Like 99.9% of the time, you want to have a break after a case. So yeah, it's kind of dumb that's not by default, but it is what it is, and it isn't what it isn't. So this bug was introduced long ago. Great, excellent. Oh, fuck me. Okay, right, so we'll save this and we'll recompile. And then it should actually make fucking sense. Alright, let's see if everything is good so far. Yeah, it is good. Okay, we'll mount this bad boy. Okay. Right. Let's try that again. Okay, refresh devices. So now, let's actually give ourselves some room. Good. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, yeah. Yeah, we're running into the same issue again. So, what we're gonna do is we are going to, yeah, we're gonna put this shite here. And then we are going to, yeah, we're just gonna fucking put this whole thing, so 7yy, because now we're running into the same shite. Okay, I don't know why it's like a weird, I don't know, whatever. Received broadcast, received data. Yeah, because it'll show us what we sent, so yeah. Although it's not meant to be sending it to ourselves though. Huh. Anyway, we'll just compile this for now, because it's just good anyway, then we'll fix that fucking bug. What is this? Oh yeah, we actually don't have a PC. Now we do. I'll also need to uncomment it here. Now we do. Okay, now let's try and build this shit again. Okay, good. And then we'll flash it, and that'll be all good. Okay. Now, yeah, this was not supposed to happen, but we'll debug it. Okay. Wait, what the fuck? Huh? What the fuck? Okay, do you know what? Do you know what? Uh-huh. Um, yeah, I think it's not a problem. I think we're running into some other issues with the macro pad itself. So, um, yeah. God, this is so dumb. Anyway, so yeah, we can actually do the macro pad in this thing. So that's what we'll do. Yeah, so we'll save this. So git add a git commit send. Or actually, do you know what? No, we won't do this. Yeah. Oh, what I was. No, yeah, what I was. It's just. Fuck's sake. Can't fucking speak. Yeah, just the problem with this. So about to send, and then you see send HID and then receive. This all got fucked up. But yeah, we can actually just get rid of this thing, and it should be fine then, because this is written before this arrives. So yeah, that should be all right. So we'll just flash this one more time. Because at this point, we don't really need that granular level of debugging. What the heck? Why didn't this thing boot into QMK or boot into the bootloader? What is going on here? Okay. There we go. Yeah, so. Right. Now, if we were to, yeah, I think this thing, well, let's try and just fucking rerun it again. Now, yeah, so about to send receive data at Pico macropad. And then here we are sending from our food, and we are sending just everywhere. So we're sending 2 packets, and we received this info here from this guy. So yeah, everything is working as expected. See broadcast, very good. And yeah, so if I were to run this without the V's, and if I were to send that thing again, info receive broadcast, okay, so we'll just need to comment out this fprintf stuff here. So yeah, that should be good to go. And yeah, so let's run this thing again. Yeah, so we got the data from the macro pad, and we got the data from here as well. But it should also now send, so if we were to do PV, it should also now send this thing as a, yeah, so it sends this thing as a broadcast, but I'm still able to scroll. And I can increase my DPI, although I'm gonna fucking reset it to 400. Yeah, so yeah, everything works, so that is good. That is very fucking good. Okay, so yeah, a bit of a hiccup there in today's fucking stream as usual, but we got everything, you know, sorted out just fine, so that's good. Yeah, git commit hem send as log instead, send test HID info as log instead. So push that up into the repo, and that is all good to go. So yeah, the trackball is fully configured. Let me out. And yes, that's all good. Now in this case, what are we doing here? Here we are, oh yeah, we did all this stuff here, yeah. Okay. So yeah, here, that is fine. So that's for the macros where we just changed it over to a broadcast. Here we added the broadcast and some stuff. Yeah, some better logging, Jesus. And here we just added the broadcast. Okay, so yeah, that's good. And did we add the same shit here? Yeah, receive broadcast. Yeah, that's fine. We'll just leave it at that. Oh, Jesus. Actually, you know what? It will be better if we were to do it like this for future videos. So yeah, we'll just do that. And then we will comment this shit out. And we will need to steal this info, because that's using the info. We will just put that info here. Like so. So yeah, that's updated now, so that's good. All right, so yeah, we can add this thing, and this thing, and this thing. Yeah, so that's all good. Change rock HID order to use broadcast instead for everything. We'll push that straight up. So yeah, that is good. I'll just move that over there. So that is good indeed. Now for this boy, what we want to do is we want to check what the heck we actually did. Yeah, so yeah, we detect the broadcast. We check if it's either broadcast or the other stuff. Yeah. because if it's broadcast, we always go in here. And then if it's the same thing that we're broadcasting from, we continue. Yeah, so if this fails, we still continue. We can do, yeah, found true doesn't really do anything in this case. But if it's not broadcast, we change it so that they know who it's from and that it's not a broadcast. And then here we just, yeah, print it. And then here, if it's not a broadcast, then we get out of this loop because we only want to send it once. But if it is a broadcast, we want to send it twice. So yeah, all good. Now, what we want to do is we want to update the README. So this README is looking a little bit juicy, so we'll just do it like this, so it's kind of easier to see. Now, so you can also send a broadcast message from one QMK device to the rest of the QMK devices. Yeah, so we should actually probably start documenting kind of most of this stuff. Yeah, this saves the need to send multiple packets from the QMK firmware if you want to send a message to many devices. Okay. So we should probably add like a configuration. Oh yeah, Windows is actually fine. Yeah, so we actually did compile this thing on Windows. That is fine. Installing on QMK devices. Yeah, I suppose yeah, I suppose we can do like configure something like this or special special packets, I suppose. Yeah, that would make kind of sense. Special packets. So what are we doing? So the router generally forwards packets as is. However, there are some packets that contain that are treated differently. Okay. Right. Or actually, we'll call it routing protocol. Something there. Yeah, now make forwards packets as is. However, there are some packets that are treated differently. So yeah. By default, so yeah, the ecos can only accept packets, can only accept raw HID packets that are 32 bytes in length. This is how it is in QMK or Picos. Other MCUs can handle 64 or 64 bytes, so you can update the code here to support that, but I just use Picos for everything low. Okay, right. Yeah, so the structure. Oh, you must follow the structure defined in QMK HID router .h. Must follow this structure defined in QMK follow .h. The payload can be whatever you want. So the payload and operations can be whatever you want. Just make sure the QMK devices understand each other. Yeah. The router doesn't look at the doesn't look at the operation. Doesn't look at the operation unless it's, yeah, so it actually technically does. So there is an operation that I should probably stick inside here, called, oh shit, what was it? Info. Yeah, send info thingy. Where the fuck is this shit? Okay, so it's HD raw operation info. So this is probably here. Yeah, HD. Okay, so yeah, we will actually need this now that I'm thinking about it. Say info. Yeah, so it's not mostly, it's actually literally for sending info to PC. Yeah, and we should actually include this inside our actual fucking code. Unless it's HID operation info, which will then just display the message from the QMK device on the PC. Yeah. So that's fine. So in this case, yeah, where the fuck do we have the info here? So it should be somewhere. Should be in read. Yeah, HID read. No, never mind, it's actually just handle packet. Yeah, handle packet for PC. And this will be HID operation info. So yeah. Like, so that just, you know, so that there's less magic numbers in here, because there's a bit too much magic going on here, I must say. But anyway, let's compile this again and see if that info still works. So if I were to just increase the thing, yeah, info still works, so that's good. Okay. So yeah, in the README, which will then just display from the QMK on the PC. Okay. Yeah, cool shit. So, um, when the router receives a packet and forwards it to another QMK device, it will change the to PID and to PID to the QMK device that sent the packet. This is so this way the QMK device receiving the packet knows who sent it, and you can write logic to only accept packets from one specific device. For example, if yeah, it's done this way so that you have so that you have 4 more bytes available for the payload. Otherwise, it would take up more fields in the structure. Okay. Then on the topic of VID and PID, there are special PID and PIDs. For example, if you set where's this thing? So it's inside here. So if you set this will handle, yeah, this will be handled by the PC instead of forwarding it. This is where the info packet comes from. Okay, yeah, this is probably going to look kind of shit, but and if you set, so yeah, I suppose we can put this into its own function called special PIDs and VIDs. Okay, I think this is all right. This is all kind of, you know, flowing together. But yeah, then if you said struct RHID, actually, it's if you use, it's not really if you set, use, this will broadcast the packet amongst all QMK devices. In this case, the 2 VID, actually, is it actually changed? Because yeah, if I were to broadcast it right now, yeah, receive, okay, yeah, that's good, yeah, that's good. In this case, 2 VID and 2 PID remains unchanged from 0xFF. This is so that the QMK device can ignore this, so that the QMK device can be configured to ignore broadcasts. Can be configured to ignore broadcasts, otherwise it would think it's legit, or if it's otherwise it will think it's a direct packet. Yeah, this isn't the best, since now the device doesn't know who the packet is from, but I think it's an okay compromise to have more bytes available in the payload. Yeah, so that should be fine. That kind of explains exactly what the hell is going on, so that's pretty good. Yeah, okay, so there's some shite here. Okay, good. Okay, so let's see how this looks like now. It's looking pretty fucking good now. Alright. Stalling, compiling. Those stalling on QMK devices. Cannot open HID device on Linux. Fucking Linux. Routing protocol. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. That is pretty fucking good. Yeah. Fucking Linux. Alright, so yeah. That readme is fucking good now. Yeah, not too bad. Alright, cool. So yeah. I suppose I didn't really explain what PID and VID actually is. Yeah, I fucking might have. Routing forwards packet is this, or some packets. Yeah, so you can specify custom PIDs, custom PID and PID for your QMK device inside the keyboard.json. Oh no, it's actually not inside the keyboard.json, inside the config. No, it actually is. Yeah, it actually is. What the fuck am I saying? What is going on here? Oh yeah. Shit, I kind of... God damn it, I closed... Yeah, I closed this thing. Yeah, so I should actually put this in here. Yeah. So that people kind of know well, let's do, I don't know, something stupid like that. Okay. For your cube, or your QMK device inside the keyboard.json. Yeah, this acts almost like a MAC address in this protocol, so make sure that all of your devices are unique. Actually, it doesn't really need to be unique. Well, technically. And make sure you specify the QMK raw HID usage and usage page inside where was it? Config.h. Yeah. You can use a custom usage page if you want, but make sure you update it everywhere and make sure none of your other USB devices are using it, are using the same usage page. Otherwise, it will break the actual device. Not will, but could break the actual device. Okay. So yeah, that should clear up some kind of things, I suppose. Yeah, so that makes sense to me anyway. So yeah, that should be good. README's getting better and better. Holy moly. Proper fucking project. Okay, so yeah. Okay. Yeah, so here we can get out, so git status. We can, yeah, we can add everything. This will be commit m. What will this be called? And this will be called add support for broadcast update readme to have more info on protocol. Actually, not more info, but just actual info. All right. And this will probably be one of the last kind of commits for the router because it's pretty much done now. So yeah, that's good. And then you get to push these shite straight into the repo. All right, so yeah, that's pretty good now. So thank you boys for watching, and I'll see you boys again next video, where we'll probably go and install it, or like showcase installing it or something like that. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, thank you boys, bye bye.